everyone, my name is Amanda. I'm the lead stylist here at Charlie Goss Styling. Today I'm going to be chatting through how to maximize your summer wardrobe. So we always preach having a capsule wardrobe, and that if you do have a good capsule wardrobe, the longevity is amazing and you'll be able to make tons of outfits with the clothes that you have because you're investing in better quality pieces and pieces that are more so timeless and classic. I do have a few trendy pieces in here, but that's more so to help create some interest in the outfits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out some pieces that I think are key pieces in your summer capsule, and then I'm going to style them, and I'm going to show you how you can style them in tons of different ways. So the first item that I'm going to style is this cream blazer. So I think having a cream blazer in your wardrobe for the summer is pretty crucial. You're gonna wear this a ton for work. In the evening, it's not as harsh as a black blazer. So I'm gonna show you how you can style this. I'll put one outfit on and then pull in pieces to show you how you can wear this a few different ways. Okay, so my first outfit is this power suit. These actually are separates. The pants are from Dynamite and the blazer, like I said before, is from Zara. But they're so close that I thought I could totally pair them together. And this is just a great work outfit. So in the fall winter, you could do a full black or brown suit, and then in the summer, cream will be your best friend. So I did brown underneath just because personally I like darker colors, so I thought it was a nice contrast. And then I did burgundy shoes on the bottom. So the good thing about a cream blazer is that you can wear it very dressy like this, or I'm going to show you the next outfit and you're going to see how you can do it very casual. So give me one sec. So I'm just pulling out the basics once again. So a good pair of denim shorts should also be in your summer capsule, so keep that in mind. And of course, a basic white tank top. Okay, I'll get into this and show you how you can wear this another way. Okay, so as you can see, this outfit is way more casual than the previous. Just pairing it with denim shorts, or even any denim. Like I have a pair of light wash denim here. I do prefer light wash denim in the summer, so you could do something like this if it's a cooler night and pop a heel on, or if it's a warmer summer evening and you're going out for dinner, you could do just something like this, or you could put a heel on if you want to be a little bit dressier. I'll show you how a heel does change this look. So I think a black strappy heel is something that everyone needs in their wardrobe for the summer. If you wanted to dress up the entire look, you could just pop on a heel like this, throw on a black bag, do your hair a little bit, and you would be good to go. So I love this. I feel like this is a very chic but comfortable and easy summer evening outfit. Okay, next. So I definitely think having a pair of trouser shorts is a must in your summer capsule. So I have these guys. They're from Aritzia. These are called the pleated short in the 9-inch length. So they're very long. They're, I guess, the same length as these guys. So these, again, they can be worn a million ways. I'll show you just the simplest way, and then we can go from there. Okay, first I wanted to show you how you could do the exact same top that I had on with the denim shorts with these guys, and how it instantly changes everything. So this full look could be a work look for you, and then if you were going out at night, all you have to do is take off your jacket and pop on a nicer top. So I'll show you that nicer top. Okay, so I'm imagining being in the office wearing the suit jacket to work as my full outfit, and then I'm going out for dinner with my girlfriends at night, and I bring this top in my bag, change into this, put on a cute bag, which I have over here, and that's it. I'm ready to go. So if you haven't noticed so far, the key to a very well-rounded summer capsule is having neutral pieces. So everything that I've worn so far goes together because they're all neutral. So this is like kind of a gray sort of color, so it goes really well with navy and the black, and then of course any neutral bag. So these shorts you could also pop on with a few other things. So you could do a basic white tee, tuck this in, and you could put a sneaker on for a more casual look. You could also do any sort of vest for a summer suit. So something just like this. You could do black or you could do cream, but a vest is pretty crucial, I would say, to have in your summer capsule as well, because you can dress it up or dress it down. So that could also be a really nice full look. And then if you wanted to go super cash, you could do just a white ribbed tank top, throw this guy over. Yellow and navy together is my favorite color combo this summer. So you could easily do that, or you could fully button it up, tuck it in, throw on a belt, and wear it to work. So these shorts are super, super versatile. Okay, next I have a linen pant. So these are just a wide leg drawstring linen pant, a great staple to have in your capsule. So I'll try these on and show you guys how you can style them. Okay, so these linen pants, they're brand new, they have to be hemmed, which is why when you see the next outfit, they're gonna be very long, but remember that clothes aren't made to fit everyone's body, so having a tailor is your best bet, so make sure you find one that you trust. So this would be the dressier version of a linen pant. A linen pant in general is more casual, but if you wanna dress it up, all you have to do is pop on something darker in color, of course if you have a lighter colored pant, and then a heel like this, which I had with my last outfit, and then some sort of black or brown or navy top. I love the vest because it feels very dressy to me, so I feel super cute and chic in this outfit. And I'll show you guys how you can completely change this look with just a different shoe and a different tank top. Okay, so here is the casual version of the linen pant, which most people would probably gravitate towards this look, especially when it's super hot out and you just want to throw something on. So any ribbed tank will do. Like I said before, I love dark colors, and brown I think is super, super pretty. So I paired brown and then a cream sandal, which cream sandals literally will go with any outfit that you have. So something like this with some sort of tote bag will be super cute, and I think this is just a look that I would live in this summer, so love this one too. Okay, so the next item is, of course, a black slip dress. So this is something that you should always have in your wardrobe. This you can wear all year round, but in the summer you can obviously style it a little bit differently. So I'll show you guys how you can wear this a few ways. Okay, so here is the dressy way to obviously wear your slip dress. So this could be really great for work, really great for date night if you want to dress dressier for a date night. So popping on a lighter color like this just makes it feel a little bit more summery. And then if you want to dress it down, I would do a sneaker, and then I have this really cute little topper that I would pop on that I literally wear all summer. So I'll show you guys that. Okay, so if you wanted to dress down your slip dress, all you have to do is pop on something like this. It could be a denim jacket if you want that's long sleeve. I just feel like this is super cool with the bigger sleeves and the fact that it's a little bit cropped. I love this. I literally wear this all summer long over everything. And then I would pop on a cool sneaker like this. And not only is it very fashionable, but it's super comfortable. I feel like I can do anything I want. This is usually my go-to outfit for in-person shopping with clients because I'm running around the mall for a few hours and I'm super comfortable in this outfit. The last thing is a pair of white jeans. So these you'll be able to wear, of course, dressy or casual. So you can do these with just a brown tank top or any ribbed tank top with a pair of sneakers, or you can dress them up with a heel like the black ones that I had, pop on a black vest and wear it in the evening. So another great capsule piece to have in your summer wardrobe. Another staple to have, so we have a cream trouser, a white jean, and then I would also do a cream short like this. You can't really go wrong with matching color to cream. So These are good because when it's super hot and you don't want to wear your cream trousers, you can grab your cream trouser shorts and do a heel or a sneaker and really any top, any colored top on the top, and you'll be good to go. So the other item that I recommend having is some sort of a black dress. So this is the black Skims dress. This is more casual than this guy that I have on. So if I didn't want to wear something as dressy as this for an evening out, I would wear this. I could still do the same thing and pop this denim shirt over, or I could just wear it like this with a sandal and a cute little bag and be super comfortable. Okay, so the final thing that I think is crucial to your summer capsule wardrobe is some sort of a matching set, but a fun set. So I got this from Aritzia a few years ago, and it is my go-to every summer. I love it because I can wear the pants with just a white tank top and wear the top with jeans or jean shorts or white trousers. It's kind of just a fun way to show your personality a little bit when you have a full wardrobe of basics. So having something like this is good to show your personality, and you can find something that really speaks to you and your personal style. So I love this. Like I said, I've had it for years, and it's always my go-to. All right, so my top 3 tips for maximizing your summer capsule is to not have too much color. That way you can mix and match all of the pieces. Invest in pieces that are gonna last you longer than just a season. That way when the next summer comes, you're able to pull out items that you already have or had in your wardrobe, and buy pieces that you actually like. Don't just buy things because you saw them on someone's Instagram page or you thought that something might look good on you and you don't really love it. So invest in things that you actually like and that you feel good in, because those are the pieces that you're actually going to gravitate towards. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you next week. Bye.